You're the concert queen. Sino, if you were to crown the next concert queen based sa mga napapanood mo, sino kaya ang pwede mong
Ang hirap
tawagin
sagutin
din na
yan.
concert queen?
Mahirap sagutin. Ay, binagsak ang mic. Mahirap sagutin yan kasi kung napapanood nyo naman, napakadami naman talagang napakagaling ngayon, di ba? Vocally, parang nag-transform na ang mga kabataan. I don't know, may iba bang hormones? Ano ba, pagkain ba ito? Dala ba to ng MTV, YouTube? Parang nag-iba na ang level of singing and performance sa mga kabataan ngayon, no? So it's very, very hard to answer. Pero siguro it's, when you say kasi ang version ko ng concert queen is really, it's all around. It's not just the singing, it's not just the dancing, it's also your rapport with your audience. It's also performing without any script and really entertaining your guests. But ako kasi, mas gusto ko, for them, I think, ayaw naman nilang matawag sila na concert queen kasi ang gusto nila for sure, magkaroon sila ng sarili nilang title. They have to be known for something on their